That was a quick one. There's lots of people on tonight right now. Come on, can I get a win? One win this weekend, god damn it. Yo! Voice chat! Oh. Ah. Shit. Okay, he doesn't have his mic. I could talk now. Oh, he's gonna hit me with the droll. I'm gonna hit him with the orange light. Light him up. I could still get an Nibiru'd here. Alpha attribute Zeta add Ben 10. Okay. Now what? Since I don't have a fairy, when I go into the ultimateness play, well, that is gonna add the binder. Then we'll go for the new beta Fafnir. Fafnir is gonna dump Gamma. Okay. This is when we normal summon Diviner, activate effect, dump Herald of Arclight, so we get ultimateness right here. Medionis for ultimateness. Will detach from Mubeta in defense. Then Medionis will decrease attack by 1,000. Shit. Oh, come on. Activate for Ben 10, detaching Alpha from Mubeta. Then we will Beatrice it up. Beatrice is gonna detach. We're gonna send Eva. Eva's effect. And we'll banish and banish to add and add. Now we have some fairies for the ultimateness. This guy doesn't have any beta. Has no materials, so we'll go with Gamma. From the grave effect, we'll bring out his buddy, one of his DRYTRON buddies. Then where's IP? What the fuck? This does not have a this. What the fuck, Logan? Go straight for the Appaloosa right here. Really? Bruh. Where's the IP? I guess just go straight for Appaloosa there. There's no IP in this extra deck? Come on, dude. Wow. No IP in this deck. What the fuck? I can't do that? What the fuck? Oh. Okay. So instead of going for the IP, we go for Verte effect. Copy Red Eyes Fusion. Yugioh Shogun! There we go. We could turn this guy into a dark, but then we'll go with that. Cool. Probably should have did one of these ones, because how many fairies do I have in there? Okay, no, I still got fairies in there. So, this is a better board than the Apollosa. Just gonna draw. I'm gonna attach. Sending Evo. Okay, Evo. Banish. What? No. I could only get one more. Because all of my other ones is not there anymore. What? Oh yeah, okay. Reinforcements of the army. No. Ferris. Let's go with this actually. No. Monster Reborn. That's a no. There's one card left. Stratos. Nope. Setting. Yugioh! Pop? Okay. No. Oh. Okay, how many? Yeah, it's game right here. This is 9,000. I'll go with this unnecessary battle. It's game over. Herald of Ultimateness. Direct attack. Beatrice, the Lady of Eternal direct attack. And then Dragoon. Finisher. Let's Duel finally wins. Well, thank God he's not playing Mystic Mind. I really think I should put these in here. Yeah. No, I think that's good. Then, I don't know about these ones. I don't know about these three here. Probably put in some Lightning Storm. Oh, snap! Ah. Only added. You know what that means? Joel and Lockbird. Let's see, has callback. Callback to grave? This is cool. I got a pretty good follow up here. Yeah. We'll do this and that. I'm confident that I will win this game 2-0. I'm surprised to see no IP masquerading down here. Alright. I think that droll really shut him down. Yeah. Nice. I don't need to use this. But let's have a quick effect real quick. Guess I'll save this then. Where is that? I'll save this. Go for this right now. I want to see. Unless he stops me. Red Eyes Fusion. Ash? Oh, okay. Spoon Dangerous's effect. Discarding. Card and sending one Destiny hero from your hand or deck to the graveyard. Discarded for Plasma. Oh, that's a cool picture of Plasma. Never seen that one before. Yugioh Shogun. Red Eyes Dark Dragoon. Oh, I could activate this. Oh, I could add it to my hand. That's okay. Probably should have did this one for an Ash bait. What was this? Side here. Let's go like this. Could have negated it and hit him for 4K. Battle. Dragoon direct. That's it. Not good. Malicious, another malicious. Bion effect. Yeah, I think it's worth going like. Yeah, I could do alpha. Negate, destroy, gain 1,000. Yeah, but he's already normal summoned. I don't know what he's gonna do now. You could do like the Ferris. He has it in his hand. Ooh, dark calling. Oh no. Bane. Does not have a higher attack though. Oh. We go in Destiny here, it gains 1,000. Oh, okay. Oh shit. Monster Reborn. Don't tell me he has Plasma in his hand. Was that the other game? Oh no, he banished Plasma. Oh shit. Alright. Stay calm, keep doing. Let's duel wins. Finally wins a match in ranked after. Holy shit. Thought I was at 12 still. Where were we? 1179. 1189 went up by 10. We're at 126, still at 126, yeah. Comment, share, like if you sub if you liked it. See you guys.